Hey everybody, welcome inside the mind of Matt. And I 3D printed some parts for some little mini whips, tiny whips, little whips, one of them, little whips, tiny whips. Yeah, tiny whips. We're gonna go with tiny whips. So I'm down here with my buddy Cooper Squads. He organized a little race, so we're gonna check out the race and see what kind of excitement we can get. So let's go.
It's the first time I've seen that.
Yeah, I see it all the time.
Well, it's the first time I've seen it, so.
See, that's Mike right
What's up, Coop?
What's up, buddy? We're gonna have a race today.
So I designed this up in Fusion 360. I took his logo and I did a little SVG file out of it, brought it into Fusion, extruded it out. Enough for 2 whips, 12 batteries, a little lock and lid. Pretty cool.
Check this bug.
These guys just came off the printer this morning. He's had this one for a while. Camera's shaking a little bit. I'm freezing. It's 23 degrees out. That was the prototype and it turned out to be a lot of print, a lot of plastic, a lot of wasted time. Shrunk it down a little bit. Got the track out here. Some of y'all on the track now. Got a couple 5 loops. Crazy. A couple ceiling fans to dodge. There's a pilot operating right now. Alright, Coop's gonna take us for a little track tour.
So where these guys are standing down here, we got 2 launch pads. We can have 4 racers. Right out of the gate, you punch everything full throttle here. No 3 to 5 rings together. Advanced are going to hit the pinks. Beginners are going to go to blue. They follow the pinks, hit green. From your green, you have to go through one of these.
Alright, I got one of the pilots here, so let's give him a little talk to it. So tell me what's your name?
Mike.
Mike, where are you from, Mike?
Allstate, Pennsylvania.
Nice, and this is your first race, you said?
First race.
Nice, you just getting into the drone stuff?
Yes, I am.
Cool, so what do you think of this obstacle course here?
It looks challenging.
A little intimidating, is it?
A lot.
But it's all about having fun, right?
Exactly.
Alright, well we'll see what happens throughout, so if you get a chance to do some recording on your goggles, I mean...
I don't have to record now.
Oh, okay, well, we'll get some recording anyways, but good luck and I hope you have fun.
Alright, thank you.
Nice talking to you. Alright, now we got the track all lit up. I'm gonna have to dub out the background music, but that's alright. So I got another one of the pilots with us, and if there was giving an award for the most experienced, I think he'd win it. So
not in the FPV. I guarantee you I will be last place today, but I'm here and I'm having fun.
So tell us what your name is.
Ed.
Ed.
They call me Dumb Thumb.
All right. So Ed, where are you from?
I'm from Binghamton, New York.
Binghamton. All right.
I have a Facebook page called Dumb Thumb. Go look at it.
Oh, nice. Okay, we'll check it out. So this is your first race?
Oh no, I did the multiplex FPV stuff up in north from here, Finger Lakes Racing. I did some flying with them last year.
So you got the experience in the group.
Yeah, and I come in last place every time there too.
Nice, and you got an airplane background. We were just talking a little bit.
I do 3D airplanes.
Oh, nice. Now, are you a member of any of the local clubs?
Oh yeah.
Which one are you a member of?
The Binghamton Arrows.
Okay. Oh, there we go. I was part of the AGI.
The Aero Guidance Society.
The Aero Guidance Society, yeah. But I did fly down. Actually, I learned how to fly right at your guys' field in Chenango, right up the street here.
Right.
Yeah? So nice. Well, what do you think about this track?
It's a little more than I can handle.
A little bit more?
But I'm just here to have fun.
Nice.
And I look at it this way. Y'all got to have somebody to whoop.
Nice.
This is whoop racing.
There you go. Little whoops. So, all right. Well, good luck, Ed. We'll maybe we'll catch some video of you doing the lap around the track.
Well, check out my Facebook page, Dumb Thumb.
Dumb Thumb.
Yep. DUMTHUM. I can't even spell it right.
I'll put a link in the description of the video for it. So.
And I got some of my airplane flying there.
Oh, nice. All right. Well, thanks for talking with me, Ed. Okay. Good luck with the track.
Yep. Thank you. Have a good day.
So one of the things to consider when you've got multiple radio transmitters on at one time is the radio interference between the different controllers. So what they've done is they've gone and found a range of 4 different frequencies, and the controllers on these little whips have the ability to change to different frequencies. So they've got 4 different frequencies set up so that they can all fly together and not interfere with each other. They've got a little projector over here where they'll be able to pick up one of the goggles views, and they're transmitting it on the projector so that the spectators can all see. We've had quite a good turnout of some people showing up for this little tiny whip race. The guys are all set up, about ready to start the first heat here. Let's see if we can get some good camera footage from these guys. Stay tuned for some live action. Literally utter chaos. 4 FPV flyers flying all at the same time on this unfamiliar track. Who will prevail? Who will crash? I don't know how they're going to keep score, but it's all about having fun. When it's too cold outside to fly your drones, we get the little guys and we fly them indoors. Got the flippers out here just in case anybody crashes. So far, everybody's been maintaining airspace. Oh no, it looks like we got a crash in the corner.
That was our first place guy too at that. Wow.
We got the 5 loops. The pink loops are for the advanced flyers. This guy over here has got the track down pretty good. He's got the 4 inside, 3 going around the red loop. Oh, and he missed it. He's going back for it. Oh, the Does he have enough battery life? Makes it through the mirrored tunnel. Some experienced pilots on site here today. Crowd is excited. This is the camera mount that I designed up. Somehow it opens. Printing in all my different colors and pretty much all PLA. But it was fun design.
I gotta write that down.
Next time we race, I'm gonna win.
Nice little float suit. I'm a little guy. He'll sleep good tonight. Alright, so it's kind of chaotic, everything going on, but this is the winner. And tell everybody what's your name?
Ryan Silvernail from Ithaca, New York.
Nice. And how long you been flying drones?
About 2 years.
2 years, nice. You wanted to get a picture of your shirt too. I mean, he's a serious drone guy. So what do you think of the course that he got set up here though?
It's nice.
Nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice.
It's a lot of fun, good people.
And which prize did you get? You got the blue one?
There, nice case printed by Matt here. Nice gift card for Cooper's Quads.
Nice.
Quality print, good stuff.
Yeah, awesome, man. Well, I hope that you check out the video and maybe you'll subscribe to my channel. And congratulations, and I hope you had fun today.
Awesome.
All right, thanks everybody. Well, I'm cold and I have enough footage that I think that it's gonna make a decent video. So, anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and keep on coming back for more inside the mind of Matt. Happy printing, be safe pouring.